strategies. So I'm going to go over the loss I took first. So this morning I had euro marked out here, right? So it was this down candle to move up. I thought maybe we've got a bottom in because we took out that low. It's pushed up above the 1.16 level I was on about, and I got on board here, and it pushed up, and I had my stop loss there. But as soon as it came back down here, I held it, but it was a small position. I did say it was a small position. Just wanted to test it out. Got stopped. So I think it was just over 0.1 R. Wasn't much. It was just tiny. Well, compared to the original risk, a tenth of my usual risk. So then I took the dollar CAD trade. Okay. Now I shorted the dollar CAD based on this. So it had this high marked out. No, sorry, this high marked out here. And I was watching. So let me just make that thin. I was watching this here, this consolidation here, right, at the time. So I shorted it here, go down. I shorted it, sorry. I shorted it here when it's coming down, and now my stop loss just above there. I thought, okay, because it was finding support here, resistance, sell off. I thought, okay, it's good sell. So I sold it, and I got stopped out 1 hour. Okay, done. So I thought, okay, if that's the case, maybe once higher prices, where are the next objectives? Here and here. I did not take this, okay? I thought, okay, after the loss I took, and because it's a Monday, I thought, okay. But I had my eye on here. One of the guys that I was with, he shorted it here based on this. It's taken out one side of the range. Now, what's this based on? It's based on here. See this consolidation here? Support, support, support again. Resistance, come back up. Took out that high, rejected, and then sold off. So to me now, I think that's confirmed the high. Okay, so going forward, this is what I'm going to look for. Now imagine this was London right now, right? The minimum area I want to get on board is a retest of this. See these up candles here, and then we've got these down candles led to the move up to take out these stops. So a retest would be what would be a retest into that? Shorting opportunity. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So I'll wait, come London open, I'll wait for the push up back into that zone, which is also a 4-hour block. Any weakness I get off it during London open, I'm going to look to short that, and I'm going to look to play it to target 1 would be here, and then fill this void in, and then lower prices. Okay, yeah, sometimes they don't, but I gotta see what price is. I can't tell you. So in that case, I use the daily open scenario. Okay, so technically right now we are below the weekly open. Okay, so I'm expecting an expansion to the downside. We'll see. That's my play for tomorrow. Then I took a Euro USD long. Okay, so we had Euro USD still in what? See these down candles here. So if I just mark this out here, the higher time frame is still here. These down candles led to the move up. Okay, now we tested it here, moved up, then back down into it. So we've come down here, and I'm watching euro, so it's easy if I explain on the dollar index chart. So dollar index and euro. So dollar index was into a resistance level. I was it made a high in Asia, but then lower highs. But euro USD was diverging. Okay, was diverging. So as soon as you get that okay, S&D divergence here. Then back to the dollar euro. Sorry, I was watching this on a 1 minute, right? So I'm watching this. Sorry, let me get rid of this. It's come down into the key level 1.1580. Okay, 1.1580 is the low within the higher time frame. 4-hour order block in this grey box I've just spoke about. So it's come down, pushed up, down again, pushed up again, higher high. So I thought, okay, let me see what happens. So come to the 5 minute. Obviously it's an order block. As soon as this closed like this, I got long with a stop loss there, and it's pushed up nicely. Now I said it needs to get back above 1.16, and it's done that. Okay, so I'm seeing this as this down move as the wick of the weekly candle. So if you go to the daily, look at that daily candle from what it was earlier to what it is now. That's quite bullish, isn't it? Okay, so come tomorrow, we are finding resistance now at the weekly open. I could still be wrong. If it breaks low of day, the 1.580, I'm wrong. So I'm seeing these down candles as buying where the market maker was buying. We've pushed right above the 1.16. Otherwise, why didn't we continue? We should have found resistance here, right, if we were correct. So going into tomorrow, well, the daily hasn't still closed yet, but that's when I use Twitter to update when I enter the trades. So one scenario is obviously the daily open strategy, right? You wait for the daily open and see what resistance it comes into. So does it if it can come back into, personally I think it's a grind up. The way this is looking to me, I don't see much of a pullback. Okay, but I'll have to wait till London open to see where. So if it can come back down, possibly into this high here, I'll look for a long. If not, I'll have to wait and see what Asia does. When I've got some price action to work with from Asia, then I'm going to long it. Now the reason why I chose Euro USD because it's the cable, well obviously cable was the bigger mover today, was because I was looking at Euro GBP, and because I'm bullish the Euro GBP, I thought Euro would be the bigger mover. Now I did say I'm expecting a down move anyway on Euro GBP because it can retrace anywhere in here. Now it's coming to the daily block. Okay, it's hit the high of the daily block here. It's into this consolidation. Sorry, this consolidation here. So what I'd like to see is find support here, make higher highs and higher lows off of here, and I think that will let Euro run. Now if you look on the weekly, like I explained yesterday, that this weekly candle, previous weekly candle, took out these lows, closed back within the previous week's range. That's quite a bullish sign to me. Macro view, we're still bullish. Unless it breaks this, I'm still bullish this bigger picture. So I think all this was just a retracement, and I'm expecting a move above. Okay, New Zealand dollar's gone the way we wanted to. Here it's come up there, so I'm bullish this as well. So come Asia, I'll be watching this. Okay, I think the low of the week should be in. So if it comes back down into here, give me bullish price action, I'm still looking for the 0.7 level as target. Okay, so I'm still looking for that. So that's, and the Aussie dollar, sorry, dollar yen worked out nicely. Well, I was looking for what? I was looking for this level to break, and then I would be looking for shorts. It did not break that. It made one more high, ripped up, took out these stops here, then immediate rejection. That is telling me sort of we've got the high in. Now intraday I was looking for price to move up into here, but at the same time it was within this 4-hour block as well, which is fine. My target on this is big. I think this is going to drop a couple of hundred pips. My target is 112.80 short term, and then maybe right at the bottom of the range. Okay, so come Asia, I'll be looking for a price move back up into here possibly. Okay, if I can get some resistance into there, and then weakness, I'll be looking to short this and still aim for what? 112.80. Is that clear? Is everyone clear with that so far? So that's my dollar yen play. Euro dollar, I'm still bullish, and I think we're going to take out well, these highs here I think we're going to take out, and the 1.1750. Only reason I got 1.1750 is just this block here. Personally I think we're going to take out these highs here, but these are just short term targets. 1.1750, 1.1690 short term. We'll deal with the rest later on. Oil was ripped up anyway. Gold. Now gold did a nice impulse move. I spoke previously before where I thought gold was bottoming, and this confirmed it, where this is coming out, confirmed stop run on gold here. So any pullbacks, I'm looking to long gold, so I'm going to be watching this. It's very inefficient movement here, so if we can possibly pull back into here, don't think that's going to happen, but if that doesn't happen, I'll use the weekly open strategy, daily open strategy to long this, and I personally still think we're going to take out this high here. Okay, I think we're going to rip up and take out that high, but I'm only dealing with a few pairs for now going to tomorrow. Euro USD long, dollar CAD short, and dollar yen short is my favorites going forward. Okay, so I'll stop the recording and we can take questions.